We are at Division Fred Meyers in Portland at 8:20 at night on a Friday. This is all the people that's in line right now. Let's go walk the line. Hey Kay, say hi. I'm recording this. I'm making it over there now. Two check stands open. It's who predicted this to happen. Snowstorm / coronavirus outbreak. Everyone's freaking out.
Yeah, I mean, I think the hope is taking it proactive.
The line goes 20 people deep on both sides. Shelves are all empty pretty much. You got U-Scan closed on one side. Let's go wander down some aisles and see what we can find. Here we got the medicine. As you can see, everything is empty. There's like nothing left on this aisle for cold medicine of any kind. Should probably grab some cold cough drops while I still can. So, this is just one location in Portland. Let's go look down the toilet paper aisle. Paper towels, diapers, baby food. Here's the aisle for the toilet paper. Pretty crazy. Let's walk down it and see what's going on down here. People have gone as far as to buy wet wipes. Kleenex is gone. All they have is this expensive Kleenex. But because I work here, I got some go backs and I got gold in my cart. Come down this aisle, diapers are gone.
Wipies are gone. All of them are gone.
It's crazy. So, we got baby food over here. It's all emptied out. Oh, a lot of baby food left, but formula. Surprised there's still formula left. Even the mouthwash is selling out. Let's see, you got toothpaste. That's starting to empty. Let's go back and take a look at the back part of the store over here. Ziploc, paper bags, got trash bags, got detergent. Shelves are empty, they have nothing in the back. People are even buying briquettes. Those are on sale there, so that don't surprise me. And then you come over here, more empty shelves. Everything is empty on this aisle too. Good luck. I've been told to try Dollar Tree. That's what everyone's saying, but I think the
Dollar Tree's pretty bad too.
I would say I think the Dollar Trees are also probably by now. Try Miss Meyers is pretty good. Expensive, but it's pretty good stuff. Let's go look at the milk. You got the coffee. It's getting. No one cares about coffee. You got flour, sugar. That's all out, going out. You can see people are buying up oats. It's weird how people are buying certain things. Vinegar. People making their own cleansing things. Let's see, spices seem pretty full. Over here you got the cereal aisle. You can see how slowly getting emptied. Soda. People are buying up all the soda. Crazy, crazy. We're gonna come back to those lines again and see if anyone moved any sort of footage since the last time he came by. Nope, the line goes longer. and longer. Let's go down the water aisle. Here we got empty shelves. Pretty much all water is gone. People have been buying distilled water and they're gonna drink it, which is crazy. People are buying distilled water to drink. And then right here, usually there's 2 big pallets of Fred Meyer water. They're all gone. Here you got more empty shelves. Let's go on the chips. See if people are buying chips. Yeah, people are buying Pringles and chips. I'm actually a cashier at this location, and it seems like people are mostly buying processed garbage because it doesn't expire, or you can eat it after it expires. More empty shelves, bare shelves. They've been stocking all day. The milk, oops, excuse me, it's all running out. Let's go down the, no, let's get that aisle. Let's go down here. More empty shelves. Also, a lot of people are buying up ice cream too. This is a good one. Let's look at this. These have lots of empty shelves on them. We'll go down each side. So over here you got all the potatoes, pretty gutted. Veggies. Let's go on this side of the aisle. You can actually see what is going on with the veggies. They're gone. And they are supposedly not getting any veggies in. Same with the water. There's more produce area. Or the produce area. We haven't gone down this area yet. Packaged stuff. You got cucumbers, veggies being bought up. We are out of potatoes. All they have is a little bit left. And the potatoes are gone. Bananas are still there though. Then you go down over here. Stuff's going low. Me's going low. You got some grapes over there. A lot of people are buying up grapes and stuff. That's all emptied out. Let's go over here to the bakery section. We'll see what people are buying over here. We have a snowstorm. Well, they call it a snowstorm, but here in Oregon, Portland, Oregon, we don't really have snowstorms. Say hi.
Hi.
We're making a YouTube video of the pandemic that's happening, of all the empty shelves. All right, so you can see over here that people are buying up the meats. Here's a chicken. Pretty crazy. Sometimes this is like this though, so this is nothing really that new. They don't always stock at night, but this is overly out. They're not usually, this is not like this. This is usually a completely different meat case. Usually it's full to an extent. This is just empty. And then they also don't have beef cabbage or beef brisket flats everywhere in multiple locations. Yeah, so here's the wine. A lot of people are buying wine. School's out for 2 weeks. Early spring break in Oregon. So we have 2 weeks in Oregon of kids. So everyone's buying up boxes of wine. Nothing that much over here. Here's the eggs. These are pretty low. Let's go on the back wall over here and see what's over on this side. See all the holes. So many holes at the moment. Just everywhere. Here you got more holes. People buying a lot of frozen food. Frozen processed food mostly. Oh, we have some ice. There's not much ice in the front end. But also, this never happens this late at night. If you can't see down the aisle, that means we're busy. And there's definitely no sight of slowing down. Everything is just going crazy in here. Everyone's buying up everything they can get their hands on. completely different store than it was 2 weeks ago. A lot of people are just buying whatever they can. Almost like they are just not even thinking about it, just filling their carts full. Everything they get their hands on. Here's a good aisle. This one's pretty empty. Here we got tuna fish is pretty much gone. It's yeah, nuts. Me myself, I didn't prepare like I should have. I stupidly did not buy any top ramen, did not buy anything really. I'm gonna have to go into a store by my house because if I want any kind of top ramen stuff, it's not here. But the soup aisle is surprisingly full. Probably because something is on sale, conveniently enough for the company. Here's the front end again. We're about 11 minutes in the video, and as you can see, not much has changed up here. It's all pretty much the same exact game. People waiting in line all the way down the way. It's not even Christmas time. So, these people don't realize that they could probably go to the home electronics, or there's several different registers that they could go to. They all stand over here. Good luck. So, that was just the food side. That's not even the home side, which, as you can see, the home side of this Fred Meyers store is empty. Here's the apparel. No one's over here. Everyone's somewhere else. Let's go look over here and see if people are buying camping stuff, maybe. You know what Fred Meyers is? It's owned by Kroger. It's got pretty much like a super Walmart. They have like home goods, they got like bikes, they got cars, like home electronics. So you can see over there the home electronics department. But as I was saying, if you look, you cannot see down the aisle directly. Still busy, still full of people. But over here, nothing. It is just quiet. I don't see any shelves emptied. Everything is pretty filled. I don't think this side of the store, because you know you don't need this stuff, but it's just amazing how on this side of the block, because the store is like a city block, there's just nobody here. Hardly anybody on this side of the store at all. So quiet you can hear yourself breathe. It's amazing. Let's go see if we can check out in home electronics and get away with it. Probably not. It's probably going to be people over here. But we'll see. Here we got the toy department. See? Not a single soul. Go to the other side. You can't even walk down the aisle without bumping into somebody. Let's go to the home electronics. Looks like there's people over here checking out too. Not very many though. So that's good. Short little line. So as you can see, this is electronics. Got some games. Got the books. We got all kinds of goodies. But let's go back to the craziness, and then we will come back and check out. And for this exact moment, we're gonna go walk over here. And not everyone. All right. The line has gotten even longer now. Crazy. Never ending. People, people, people. And here's the youth cans. Everyone's just waiting to pay extra money. Crazy, crazy. I'm gonna go down the beer aisle. Go down the beer aisle. So it looks like the beer aisle is still full. It's not more full than the wine aisle, that's for sure. But I need to grab one other item. That's what I'm doing. I have steak at home, but I want some burger or a taco, burrito, whatever. That's what we're getting. Pretty nuts. Well, I'm gonna get off of here, so until next time, have a safe and healthy evening, and hopefully everyone gets out of this, doesn't go broke, and hopefully everyone's alive at the end of all of this. Have a great evening and day. Bye-bye.